Blessings and merry meet. I just wanted to put this video out there. By the way, my name is Belinda Reedy, the Witch in Love and Light. I wanted to put this video out there just to let you guys know that all the information that I give and the spells that I put out are entirely my opinion. If you don't agree with it, you can always tweak it or not do it at all. Let's say I'm making a spell with rosemary, but you don't have rosemary, you can substitute with basil or whatever. You can always tweak your spells to whatever it is that you need to tweak it to make it your own. You know, at the end of the day, it's your magic. It's your intention, above all, intention. It's what you put into it. I can grab a rock from my garden over there and put my intention into it and actually give it to someone with a symbol on it. Because my intention is on there, it'll protect that person or bring that person what they need to be around them. So that's all I wanted to say. Remember, your spell is your very own spell. Personalize it like your fingerprint. And that's all. Blessings.